Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Hi po sa'yo at kung bago ka pa lang dito, hello po sa'yo. My name is Rosemond Campo. So, kung hindi pa po ikaw subscriber sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget po to like and subscribe na din po and hit the bell icon all para po notify po kayo sa aking mga susunod na vlog. So, today is Sunday. Yun lang naman din. Katapos ko lang mag-prank. Diba kayo mo yung napapansin ninyo yung tato prank natin. So, nagaya siya magkain naman kami sa labas every Sunday. Ganun talaga yung rotation namin kapag Sunday, dinner namin sa labas ngayong pandemic. Pero but I think ito na yung last na makakasama namin mag-dinner si Angel sa labas kasi bawal na yung bata dahil mataas na naman yung case ng COVID, tapos pinagbawal na naman ng mga mayors. So, stay put na tayo dito sa ating mga bahay. At ayun, hi guys sa inyo. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope mag-ingat po kayong lahat at sana maging masaya yung inyong New Year. Although, nasa pandemic tayo, just keep on praying lang kay Lord na sana matapos na to after 2021. So, we keep on praying lang guys. Fighting. So, ayan, nakikita nyo naman. Nakaligo ko lang. Ito ulit yung susutin kong damit. Sayang din naman kasi actually hindi naman siya madumi. Pinatong ko lang siya, diba? So, tara guys, samahan ninyo ako. I hope mag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. Family day na naman again. Baba.
Hello, duman.
Dito kami kumain. Doon, kami nila Miss Shirley.
Sana pinantahan mo na.
Hindi ko alam. Ha?
Kabila pala tayo.
Kaya nga sabi, tingnan kasi bumaba ka agad. Patay ka lang yung pagkita ka agad. Bagay din na yan kasi nasa labas na mo. Ayun, siguro yung tinutukoy niya yun doon. Kainan.
힘든 일에도 웃음만 나오고 대체 내게 무슨 짓을 했어 모두 이상하게 느껴봐 감추려 해도 어쩔 수 없는 걸 멈추려 해도 그럴 수 없는 걸 하루 종일 가득히 쳐버린 너를
Ganda ng background sa likod. Ayun, Philippine food. Yung sunod ko yan. Iniwan nyo? Asa siya mo?
좋을 텐데 모든 걸 다 준비해도 바꿀 수 없고 모두 다 잃어도 괜찮은 난 이제 어떻게 지도가 빠졌어 귀찮아졌어 너 아닌 일들은 시시해졌어 너 아닌 사람은 대체 내게 무슨 짓을 했어 모두 나보고 편히 따잖아 말걸 Wherever I go, whatever I do 너와 함께하는 마음뿐이야 어떻게 지독하게 빠졌어.
Many hours later.
Good. Ang laki ng tiyan mo. Diba?
So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like I'm
Nakikita mo, oh, naglalakad na. Ang Giyong. Mag-exercise ka, wag kang humiga. No.
you know what you want, do ya?
Ang liit naman niya.
No, I won't play the monster no matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could never be friends. We could never be friends. We could never be friends. We could never, we could never, we could never be friends. You feel a type of way, well that's fantastic.
Ayan po yung view dito sa amin, sa Pilipinas.
Go tell your
Yan,
friends.
dyan sa, dito sa condo. Dito po ito sa Raksa.
Friends, you have a
So,
fun.
ayan yung makikita nyo sa gabi. Puro building. Then, si Jagiya nag-workout kasama si Julia. Ayan, pool. Ayan si ate naglalakad-lakad.
No matter what you tell yourself.
Maliligo sana siya kaya lang maka-close na yung pool. Ayan.
We can never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we can never be friends. We can never be friends. We can never be friends. We can never, we can never, we can never be friends.
Yeah, 1 hour na, 1 hour. Kinsa na? Me workout too. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Oh. Hali! And the issues also. Tomorrow magja-jogging ako. Together? Morning.
Mami, sama mo
5 a.m. Jogging.
Sama mo ako, Mami.
Madaling araw yun.
Sis, ako gulo ko.
Biking, honey, biking.
Paki!
Call me up in the middle of the night, nowhere else to go. And I'm tired of all the promises you make. I know that you know that I give up my time to be with you. And I know that this love will fade, 'cause you say you'll do things you never do. And I know that you'll never change. Lies and games you try to justify, but I think it's a little too late. And I've tried so hard to make it all okay, but there's only so much I can take. And I give up my time to be with you. And I know that this love will fade, 'cause you say you'll do things you never.
One eternity later.
No finish eh.
Magaling niya ang mas niya.
Hindi pwede, may kasama kasi sila. Bawal. Okay lang.
Magaling ang mas mo.
O di.
Never do, and I know that you'll never change. Oh, ooh, you'll never change. This love will fade, and I give up my time to be with you. I know that this love will fade, 'cause you say you'll do things you never do. I know that you'll never change.
The next day.
Hi guys! Nandito kami sa rooftop. So, ayan, magsiswimming. Angela, mahulog ka?
My beginning will be as bright as the sun.
Chua?
Come, won't you come along?
Angel, anda, yugi.
And it feels so right. It's like love is raining on me.
Ang ganda ng ano, tawag dito.
Doesn't matter how far.
Yan, si Kuya.
So much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
Hi guys! So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Rosemoon Campo. Kung bago pa lang po kayo dito, welcome po kayo and do subscribe po to my video channel. To my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification all para pa-update kayo sa mga video. So, ngayon, nandito kami sa rooftop. Ayan, swimming.
On this beautiful day, and it's smiling. Want to love to get tight. Yes, it's alright.
Bibidyo mo kami?
Baka
Niya, tapos bigyan mo sa akin. Bababa ako ha. Natatawa ba?
Follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. You can see it now, it's creeping in. There's no way to deep, I hope we feel inside. Baby, baby, now we know. Baby, baby, there is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you
Ay,
came to
natanggal
me,
mo na, bebe.
it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please
Hi,
stay
girl,
in my
hi.
arms, boy.
Honey,
The one
hi.
to show me if we're
No, hi.
together. In a minute,
Yes,
in a race.
Angel!
All day, oh yeah, all day.
Munjiro nga cellphone.
Stay in my arms, boy.
Yeah.
Don't worry if tomorrow.
Yan, video sa.
You're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. 'Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. You wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. You wanna show me up when together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. You wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day,
Ya, Munji, Andi ha, Andi.
you're in my arms,
Andi,
boy.
bye-bye ka, bye-bye. Ah, phone, 안녕. Okay. 아, 예쁘다. Oh, yo. Rocks. Ang ganda, mag-sunset na. Sunset is coming.
Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold. Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Wheels in your hands, I guess we need a new plan. There's a motel a mile down the road. Finally can stand, back then still looking for dry land. Jump on my back.
So, guys, paunahan sila mag-swim. Okay. Wait. Magbilang ako 3 ha. 1, 2, 3, go! Wala! Wow! Wala, hindi talo ka ni kuya. Dalawa tayo. 2. Hanip. Andi, dito na kami mag-start kasi ano. Okay. Sige do? 2. Okay. Wait lang. Ano? Exhale. Bilang na.
1, 2,
Madaya mo.
3, go!
Swimming, no walking. May light na yun si ate oh. Bakbak. Light isa. ang bata, hindi pa pwede mag-swimming sa pambata. Okay lang na. Okay, are you okay? Yes.
Ayan. Hi. O, sama naman kayo. Umikot din kasi kayo. Ayan. Naiiwan sa kuya.
Ano ba?
Pagka si ate mo, may matay na yung tanda. Siyempre. Yeah, honey. Doon ka kay Kuya Banda. Yeah, pictures ha?
나도 모르게
May baka lang isang tanong. Wow.
Hindi na ang gano'n yun eh. Wait lang. One, two, ay, count to. One, two, three.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며.
So, ayun, we're done. Madilim na. Walang ilaw. Solo lang namin tatlo yung pool. And so Ay, bigyan mo kay Tito. May ito na lang akin. O, dali mo na yung cellphone ko na isa, be. Ano? Masarap?
Masarap.
Sabi ito matulog. Yan. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Ano? Okay ka lang? So, we're done.
Usara na isang oras na ako.
Adya.
Lashiti na, di ba?
Don't forget to... Up, vlog out. Ay, ako na. Thank you. Okay, pauwi na tayo. Hala.